Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss today's editorial paper with the topic digging deeper. In the name itself we could understand that digging deeper is like we want to know something more. Already we had a depth in the topic, but we want like digging deeper means we want to know something more about this. And this is with the GST collections. First, with GST collections to set in a string, the center must find new ways to compensate states. So, the GSTs are actually now are set to string means set plus string, which means the future. 4 months into FY 2020 to 21. FY means financial year. Mostly in every year the financial day will occur in the March. So on that day they'll calculate or they give the budgets for the year by the financial minister. So FI means financial year. So 4 months into, so like 4 months, why had he mentioned this? This is July, but 4 months had completed, like March has passed. So after completing the calculation of the budget, they had proved that 4 months into financial year 2020 to 21, the center has finally managed to pay states and compensation due to them for the previous year under GST regime. Because like the center had finally managed everything, like it had given, like it had managed everything, what they have to pay to others or what we have to get from us, everything they had did very well. Due to the this year there is more budget because due to the previous year GST regime, and this may come as a breather for states seeking to finance efforts to ramp up public healthcare capacity and contain COVID-19's determinal effects on vulnerable sections. Vulnerable means dangerous. So here now financial means actually money, right? So in this year mostly they are spending money for the healthcare, because now outside it was too dangerous. Vulnerable means dangerous. It's too vulnerable that the COVID has passed total world, and like we couldn't go out, right? So like most of the members, like say like for every for suppose there are 5 families, for every three families COVID has been attacking. Even though that family is poor or rich, they are spending more amount on it. So this year money was most spended on the healthcare for mainly this COVID-19. And next one is the last installment of 13,806 crore for March 2020 was paid out recently, taking the total payments for the year to 1,65,302 crores. Actually, last installment that last installment was 13 lakhs 806 crores, which was paid in March 2020. That was paid recently. So in taking they had taken the total payment for the year, that is 1,65,302 crores. This much amount was taken for the account for calculating the total year amount. The next one is to refresh states. We guaranteed compensation from the center for the first 5 years of new indirect tax regime introduced in July 17. So here to refresh something new, states are actually guaranteed for giving compensations when something new were actually given guaranteed compensation from the center. Till 5 years they had managed everything, and the new indirect tax regime introduced in July 2017 for the revenues they lost after the shift from the earlier system where states had the power to levy some indirect taxes on economic activity. So here first, in 2017 July our state has bought a new indirect tax, that was GST. So from then actually everyone were they're paying more money. Like for if we went anywhere, the most bill will be on the GST, like for 15 rupees or 10 rupees. So, and the compensation assumed a 14% annual growth rate in states revenue. With 2015 to 16 as a base year, and was to be paid out from a compensation just levied on the top specified GST rate on luxury on sin goods. So here, according to the state revenue, in the year 2015 to 16, as taking it as a basic year, we have to, we can say that it should be paid from a compensation which was actually levied on the top of specified GST rate on the luxurious and sin goods. Sin goods means like more extended goods. And with growth down over the previous fiscal year, even before the pandemic waylaid, the economy and the assumptions of the not too distant past are being to hurt. With the growth over the previous year, even before the pandemic waylaid. So here we got the new word that was waylaid, which means stop or interrupt or someone so to attack someone actually. So here the pandemic waylaid the economy. So the situations are very horrible, and this was the assumptions to not distant past from the beginning to hurt. Compensations under GST last year was almost 70,000 crore less than the payments due to states. Actually, due to the coming with the GST, we had paid 70,000 crores, which was less than payments due to the states. And this gap is likely to enlarge further this year with expected economic contraction denting GST collections as well. The gap occurred between 2015 to 16 to 2020 to 21 for every 5 years they do actually. They had enlarged further this year with expected economic they had expected some economic contraction, somewhat 50% it has reached and 50% was in pending. And next one is compensations inflows should shrink even more with people curbing discretionary spending on the luxury goods in order to conserve capital or stay afloat in the pandemic hit economy. A little over half of the shortfall in the last year's cess kitty has been plugged by the tapping cess balances from the first 2 years of GST implementation. The rest has been conjured up from the consolidated fund by the India by debiting integrated GST or IGST. IGST means actually integrated, like a GST goods service tax, which was added by integrated goods service tax, which was this integrated goods service tax will be paid by the government from the center, but GST will be paid by we humans, a main one will be paid by the center. IGST is levied on interface on interstate supply of goods and services, and some of the levy collected in 2017 to 18, the first year of GST, when systems were still a tad hoc. Here we got a new word, ad hoc, which means made or happening only a particular purpose. Means this happens for only a particular purpose, not for any silly things. So this happens for especially a particular for a reason. And next one is had not yet been allocated to the states. Having thus drawn on these united contingent reserves, paying compensation to states this year is going to be even more daunting for the center. At the last GST Council meeting in the June, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had said the council would convene again in July just to discuss the possible alternatives to deal with the particular conundrum. So our Finance Minister of India was newly elected in this year. That was Nirmala Sitharaman. So actually she announced that we all in March they would meet, and again they met in the this year in July this month. So she said that we would meet in the July and discuss the possible alternatives to deal with a particular conundrum. The chief solution officials has been fleshing out it for the center to raise special loans against future GST sectorals in order to help meet its compensation promised to states. There is no sign of that meeting being scheduled. like there will be no sign, like no sign for that meeting to be like at this time it should be scheduled, or for this time it should not be scheduled. And the pandemic's economic havoc has thrown up multiple challenges for North Block Mandarnis in understandable. This situations in the economic havoc has actually thrown up the multiple changes mainly from the North Block, not from the South or West or East. Mainly it had observed from the North Block. And but with a third of this financial year almost over, it would help the center and state to battle the virus more effectively if they had more certainty and clarity on the cash as their disposal. See here, like if our finance minister or our government is having the confidence that we can face it, not like like going on we have to spend more money, the cases are becoming more, and people's health, like most of the people are losing their lives. So like government should effectively had they had to need a battle with the COVID-19, and they have to deposit the cash for the approval. So they need to work hard for this. And like there are some meanings, like thicket, which means dense group of bushes or trees or grove, means I saw a dense thicket of rose bushes. Like dense thicket means a group, like they appear to be clumsy and crowd, but if we see plants they would be like, if we see a wheat crop, that would be very clarity, like for every part we can observe its roots or everything. But if they are bushes we can't observe anything, it would be total clumsy, right? So let us take an example for it. I saw a dense thicket of rose bushes. And next one is lethal, fatal, which means fatal, deadly and destructive. Destructive means like destroying something. Let us take an example for this. He met with a lethal accident, like he met with a fatal or deadly. Here we have to consider, in this example we have to consider the word deadly. Lethal means deadly. So he met with a word lethal accident. Scramble means many meanings are there for this. Let us consider any two. Clamber, climb or crawl, or like another one is make one's way awkwardly through a step gradient. So he scrambled up the steep hillside and over the rocks. So she had climbed. Here we have to consider the word climb. She had scrambled up the hillside and over the rocks. And next word is collaborate. Collaborate means work jointly, cooperate or get together. Let us consider this word. Collaborate means get together, which means two writers collaborated on the script for the film. Like two writers got like they met together, they met at one place and they had got the script on the film. And next one is dissonance. Dissonance means lack of harmony, discordance, disparity. Lack of harmony, let us consider this, or discordance. There is a dissonance between the truth and what people want to believe. There is a dissonance between the truth and what people want to believe. So like there should be a difference here. If there is a difference, there is here in the example there is a difference for the actual reality and what people is expecting to have. And next one is oblivion. Oblivion means unconsciousness. First, like we'll consider this word. Unconsciousness or state of being unaware or forgotten. He wanted the actor who was considered to be oblivion. Like in movies, there would be different characters, right? Some characters are like very good, and some characters are like funny and patient. Like in that form will be, right? So a movie director needs a patient who can act as a unconsciousness. So like he could be in the state unconsciousness. And next word is convene. Here convene means bring together for a meeting or activity, summon or call. The prime minister convened his cabinet to discuss the matter. Here, the prime minister had conveyed, means he had brought together for a meeting or activity to his cabinet to discuss the matter. So he had brought them to discuss matter or anything. Mandarins, a person who has a very important job in the government and he is considered very powerful too. Mandarins means the people who were actually are having a very good job, and often they would be considered as a powerful too. Like we had read a sentence about it, right? And next one is, let us take an example for this. It often sees the true power lies with the civil service mandarin. So the truth is behind the mandarins, not to the other people. Next word is harried. Harried means feeling strained or harassed. Let us take harassed. A girl was actually harassed by the boys who were standing on the road. They were harassing her while she was going. So this is the example for this. And next word is discretionary. Discretionary means optional, non-compulsory. Means it's not mandatory, but our wish, we can do or no. Let us take an example for this. Judges have a great distinctionary powers. Means the lawyers, right? If the case was very serious, they had their own rights to bring the new rules. If they wanted to bring the new rules, the case should be very serious. The rules which were in the law, even those are not sufficient to solve that. And next one is plugged. Block or fill a hole or cavity, promote, publicize. Let us take a block or fill a hole or cavity. She never misses an opportunity to get in a plug for her new film. So she was a good actor, but she is trying for the opportunities. But plugged means block or promote actually. If the director has actually selected her, she would never misuse the chance, and she did that. And next word is seeking. Seeking means learning something, attempt to find something or search for. Let us take an example for this. Doctor suspected him for a drug seeking rather than being in a genuine pain. So the doctors has if the case was very serious, the doctors actually give the drug, right, so that he couldn't feel pain. So in that way that sentence was framed. And last one is determinantal, harmful, damaging or injurious, which was very injurious to health, like that. Their decision can be determined to the future of the company. So they were saying that the decision taken by them is actually very harmful for the for the improvement in the industries or anything. Thank you.